Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update iPhone and unlock it with Face ID or passcode. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Display and Brightness. This is where the only reliable eye protection control lives. Make sure Auto Lock is off briefly so the screen doesn't sleep while you change options. Next, you'll enable the single system feature that reduces blue light and adjusts warmth consistently. You now enable night shift and set it as the core protection. Toggle night shift on, then slide the color temperature toward warmer to reduce blue light. Warmer equals less eye strain. Next, schedule it sunset to sunrise for automatic daily coverage, or pick custom hours if you work nights. Make sure the intensity slider is set to a level you tolerate. Start moderate and adjust after a day to find the sweet spot. Finish by confirming night shift actually activates. Check during its scheduled window and toggle manually to verify warmth changes. If it doesn't follow the schedule, restart the iPhone and make sure location services and time zone are set to update automatically. Incorrect time zone can block scheduling. If problems persist, reset network and location settings, or use general transfer or reset to restore display defaults. This fixes misconfigured profiles that prevent night shift from applying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.